Earlier, to be fair.
Yeah, he did. Okay.
I feel like you'd be really hard to op IRL with those legs, truck.
Yeah. I jumped really high. Like a what jumps high.
Oh, they smoked E-box, so what are we?
One outside here, one left side here.
I'll flash you in.
Yes, do it.
Flashing!
Welcome.
Oh, yeah.
You're so welcome.
So good right now.
What the hell?
I just jumped and no scoped on accident.
Oh shit, I found him, I think. Yeah, he's right outside of B. Towards mid.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh, I did leg him though. That's what matters.
I knew it was struck as soon as you missed the shot. I thought it was you, Coop.
I jumping off
Okay,
and
okay.
stopped.
We must win.
I saw the side.
5-man mid with decoys.
Sure.
It's decoy.
Remember that one
I mean,
teammate you
I
had that
actually
week
used this
where he's running it
against us
down
and
mid
beat
screaming,
us,
let's
so,
go,
like,
woo! I
really
wonder what he's
not
up
even
to.
toxic.
He's probably chilling, dude.
Yep.
What?
What?
What
Go
do you say?
midday, get a decoy.
Mid to A.
Decoy, you're failing the strat.
Where are we decoying?
Truck,
Mid.
fucker.
I thought I bought one. Nice.
That's the flash! No, he never said that one coming!
I dodged it.
That's real ones! That's
Two. Camera.
Okay.
Wait, this guy's just a
Bro.
pistol gun. Holy! Wait,
Bro,
guys.
this guy actually ran out to shoot Austin and just insta-one tap me in the back.
Dude,
Lower levels have the best pistol.
guys,
They have
I don't
hands.
want to scare you, but this is losable. Let's rush B.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
I'll
Are we doing a
smoke-
pop or are we doing like a full rush?
Two rush. I'll smoke E-box.
Okay.
I'm gonna smoke left side.
I will smoke left side fast.
Okay.
Oh, dude, that's crazy. That's
Damn.
crazy. He's right.
He just nerd out and bettered you.
Yeah. Are we winning, guys?
They're blind.
You know, I...
One more backside.
Backside. Nice. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Fuck.
Good name.
Flat.
Flat.
Well, our cover isn't good enough to cover level 3s coming out of a smoke.
Yep.
What the fuck did I just read? I'm not even reading this out
I
loud.
think I just shit myself.
I told you
Here you go,
made
Mom.
him shit himself.
Wait, let's see if he did the funny, guys.
I should have.
Didn't
I
even-
didn't.
Didn't even do the funny moment. That's
I
cringe.
should have,
Let's go
but you
mid
checked
fast with
for it,
double
so now I'm
mollies.
glad I didn't.
Fast mid with double mollies. Let's see if I can hit the molly this time.
Guys, let's go fast mid with double mollies.
I like that, Austin. Good idea.
Couple outside A,
Thank
let's
you.
go.
I don't like.
Yeah, you and me will go outside A.
Where?
No, I missed again.
Missed it, W.
I got you straight. I got
Wow,
you
did he
straight.
pre-fire that? Like, that was crazy. Oh, I hit